So, how last night go?
Like butter.
You know my mother, when she would make my sandwich for school, no joke, she would put a big square of butter in my sandwich. No wonder I got high cholesterol.
You from the east side?
Yeah, grew up in the pits.
You went to Lenore?
Yeah,
You must have rode with the Marillions. They terrorized everyone in that school. A boy named Mitch sound familiar?
Mitch. He was a spaz. He took a beating by us and still came to school the next day like nothing happened. Too stupid to know he was hurt. Yo, was that your friend or something?
No, he was my older brother.